This presentation provides an overview of ESG research and ratings, including the data, factors, methodologies, and limitations associated with ESG ratings. ESG research and ratings play a crucial role in evaluating a company's environmental, social, and governance practices. Investors and stakeholders increasingly rely on these assessments to guide their decision-making processes. In this part of our ESG tutorial, we will delve into the world of ESG data and research to provide a comprehensive understanding of how ESG ratings are developed and used. To comprehend how ESG ratings are derived, it is essential to understand the data behind them. ESG data refers to the information gathered on a company's environmental impact, social responsibility, and governance practices. This data provides valuable insights into a company's sustainability, ethical considerations, and overall risk management. When conducting ESG research, certain factors are examined. These include 1. Environmental factors, climate change policies and initiatives, greenhouse gas emissions and reduction targets, pollution control measures, resource management and conservation efforts. 2. Social factors, diversity and inclusion initiatives, employee health and safety practices, labor standards and human rights policies, community engagement and philanthropy. 3. Governance factors, board structure and independence, executive compensation practices, transparency and disclosure policies, anti-corruption measures. Numerous organizations specialize in ESG research and ratings, each with its unique methodology. Some prominent rating agencies include MSCI, Sustainalytics, and Robocosm. These agencies collect and analyze ESG data to assign companies with scores or ratings that reflect their environmental, social, and governance performance. Investors often refer to these ratings when making investment decisions. ESG rating agencies employ different methodologies to evaluate companies' ESG practices. Some common approaches include 1. Rules-based. This method employs a predefined set of criteria with specific weightings assigned to different ESG factors. Companies are then evaluated based on their adherence to these criteria. 2. Norms-based. In this approach, companies are evaluated based on how they comply with international standards and guidelines, such as the Global Reporting Initiative, GRI, and United Nations Global Compact, UNC. 3. Best-in-class. This methodology compares companies within the same industry, determining the top performers in terms of ESG factors. These companies are then given higher ratings. 4. Impact-focused. This approach assesses a company's impact on society and the environment, focusing on measurable outcomes rather than policies or disclosures. While ESG ratings provide valuable insights, they do have some limitations to consider, including 1. Self-reporting bias. Companies self-report much of their ESG data, which may lead to inaccuracies or incomplete information. 2. Lack of standardization. The absence of standardized reporting frameworks can result in inconsistent data collection and analysis methods. 3. ESG. Performance measurement. ESG. Performance can be difficult to quantify, making it challenging to accurately compare companies across different industries and regions. 4. Dynamic nature of ESG factors. ESG factors are fluid and subject to change. Companies may improve or deteriorate their ESG practices over time. ESG ratings are primarily used by investors to assess the sustainability and long-term viability of potential investments. Additionally, these ratings are employed by stakeholders, such as customers and employees, to evaluate a company's commitment to responsible business practices. ESG ratings are also integrated into investment strategies, such as sustainable and responsible investing, to align portfolios with specific ESG criteria. Conclusion: ESG research and ratings provide valuable insights into a company's environmental, social, and governance practices. Understanding data, factors, methodologies, and limitations associated with ESG ratings is crucial for investors and stakeholders to make informed decisions and encourage sustainable business practices.